Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. I hope that all of you have taken your food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, depends upon the time. Very good. I am confident, I am hopeful that all of you are watching the videos, learning the classes. Be careful. Whatever the contents are woven, topics are woven, you must learn it very soon. Because we may be lack of time, there may be insufficient time to give the proper revision. Anyhow, we will revise, but it depends upon your learning the concepts in this stage itself. Okay, if you cannot understand in one stroke, play this video often and often. We learned well in day. Now, today you are going to learn question number 32. What is it called? It is called letter writing. Letter writing. Until your first PUC, you have learned only one format of letter writing, official or unofficial. Till 10th, formal and informal, personal and official. In first PUC, only official. In second PUC, official come job application. It is a fixed question. You can score 5 marks very easily. Learn this concept very well. If you write one line wrongly, you must be ready to lose 2 marks. Very strict direction. My dear students, learn this concept very well today and you can score better today. Otherwise, it is highly difficult to learn this one later. Practice this one today itself once or twice. Later, you will become better. Today, first one, there are 2 parts in the question. All of you should have written this question in your notebook. You should have written this question in your notebook. Take one fresh page, write these 2 parts in one page. I will explain the rules and regulation next stage. I will give the rough format of the letter third stage. Writing the full answer fourth stage. To make it easier for you, I am adopting this system. My dear students, first do this work, note down this question. First. Later only you should proceed with the playing of this video. Careful, please follow my words strictly. Write this question. Now I will read out this question. Yes, I hope that you would have written this question. Now, listen. It is a question number 32. It is a fixed question. Moreover, this question, this answer, 80% answer is fixed. There will be 20% changes in the answer. Ready-made answer should be learned by you. What are fixed, what are changed, I will explain. Now, first I will read out this question to you. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement that appeared in the Deccan Herald dated 25th September 2020. Listen, I will explain once more carefully. Everything is easy when you watch this video carefully, understand my teaching, understand my each and every word explanation. Write a letter of application. You are applying, you are writing an application for what? Job application. You have completed your master degree. You are in search of one job or post or work. So this advertisement has appeared in the Deccan Herald newspaper. Which date will be given? This is common. Name of the paper may change, date may change. Only 2 changes will take place in the question paper. Paper's name may be the Hindu, Times of India, any other name. Date may change because you are going to write the annual exam in the month of April 2021. It is why they may give 30th March 2021. It is why 80% of the answer and the question is fixed. It is why, look, observe this all explanation. You are writing an application for the post. The advertisement has appeared, has come in the newspaper, Deccan Herald. Which day? This one. Carefully answer this one. Later only you can proceed with the second part of the question. Now, wanted. Wanted means what? Wanted means criminals are wanted. This fellow is wanted. No. Missing. No. Wanted means anybody can apply, those who have proper qualification. See, wanted, job is available. What kind of post is available, to whom it is available, it is explained. See, public relation officer, this is the post. Name of the post. They will not give any name of the post here. We must understand. Public relation officer, observe everything. It is the name of the job. Qualification. What are the qualifications required for any applicant? Means any degree with a good computer knowledge. Every word is important. If you miss reading any word, your answer will become wrong. You must be very, very careful with some important information. If you commit any error or wrong means, your whole answer script will become invalid. It will be withheld. Why? I will give the clue in the end of this explanation of this question. Next, what is the age? Age below 28 years. Below 28 years. 29-year-old cannot apply. 26, 27, 28. Next. Experience, 1 or 2 years experience is required as worked public relation officer. Understand? If you are unable to understand continuously, play this video often and often. You proceed. Don't learn in a hurry. Please. Become like a Jatka Gadi. Don't become a jet aeroplane. Follow my words. Otherwise you will miss marks. Shortly, candidates must know English, Kannada and Hindi. Fixed. See, job will change. Qualification may change. This is fixed, this is fixed and this is fixed. 3 languages are compulsory. Kannada, English, Kannada, Hindi. Kannada, English, Hindi. 3 languages are fixed. Next. Apply within 10 days to 10 days from which day? From this day. That means what? 25th September 2020 advertisement has taken place in the newspaper Deccan Herald for the post of public relation officer. Then what? You must apply for the post within 4th October. So, what is the better date? What is the fixed date? I will give them to you. I am here to make it better for you. Yeah. Apply within 10 days to. This is called what? To address. The Human Resource Manager, Apollo Hospital, Mysuru. This is called what? To address. Then, dangerous part of this question and answer is upcoming now. What is this? You never should write your own name, your own place details, college name in the answer. It is the warning to all of you. You never should write your name. If you write your name in the answer, your answer script will become invalid. Careful. Then what is the name? Can you write my name? No. Your name is X. Your name is X. That's all. You don't have right to change this one. Your name is X. You never can change any letter. If you write XO, Y, Z, your answer will become gone. You can score 0 marks easily. You want 0 or 5, it is left to you. Next one. What is your address? Y. Your date of birth is different. Your address is different. Your father's name is different. Your mobile number is different. You never should give your original information in the answer. If you give single information in your answer script will be withheld. I am not responsible. Then what are the codes or other names given? I will explain while I am writing the answer. What is your name? Father's name, address what, mobile number what, email what, everything will be given by me. Until here, you must understand this question properly. Play this video twice or thrice. Later, now in the next my stage, I will explain the rules and the regulations. First, understand this question. First ever time you are going to write this answer, you are going to face this kind of question. It is why, my dear students, play this video, understand the question properly. Now I am going to explain what are the rules and regulations. Later I will give you the rough format of the letter. I will write the answer in the fourth stage. You play this video, understand. You should have written this question in your notebook. Later you may write the rules or regulation. It is left to you. And you must use one more important information. You must use 2 full pages. You must take fresh page and you must use 2 full pages. If you are writing this answer in one full page, you will get only 2 marks. You must be ready to lose 3 marks. Are you ready? Every half mark is very important. Second place. English, it is why use 2 full page, fresh pages, and you can score 5 marks easily. Understand this question very well. Now I am going to explain the rules and regulations. Rules and regulations. What are the rules? There are 13 rules. Please follow the rules. You never should forget any single line under the rules and regulations. It looks very simple, but while writing, if you have not practiced this one for several times, it will become so difficult. You must take 2 full pages. It is left to you. You can write these rules and regulations or leave it. It is your responsibility. My responsibility is to explain these rules and regulations. First, rules and regulations. It is a question number 32. Fix it. In all kind of exams, 100 mark question paper, I am not talking about 50 marks question paper. It is a job application. You are applying for the job. You are an applicant. You are applying for the post. You are going to become an employee of one particular company. What is the post? It is found in the question paper. Now, job application is a formal letter. It is an official letter. You must follow the rules very strictly. You must follow the rules of writing a letter and the correct position of each part of the letter. This is very important. Whatever the format will be given by me, you must write the letter in that order. If you change any order, 1 mark, cut. If you come into 3 mistakes in your letter writing, you will score 0. Who is responsible? It is why learn this letter very well. Practice it today itself very well. Next, body of the letter is very important. Means middle of the letter. What is called body of the letter? You know it very well. Body of the letter is very important. For mere skeleton of the letter, marks are not given. Very important. What? This question requires 2 pages answer. 2-page answer. If you write only half of the letter, even half mark also will not be given. Even half mark cannot be scored by you if you don't write this answer in full. Full answer should be written. Half, quarter, 3/4, and the remaining answer, pending answer, incomplete answer, go in the half mark cannot be given if you have not written full answer in your answer script. If you don't follow the rules and regulation, format, the style of the letter, you cannot score even half mark itself. We follow block format. That means what? All the parts of the letter start from the left margin of the page. This is very carefully be understood. Very carefully understood by you. That means what? Margin is there now in your answer script. You must start from the margin only. Whatever it may be, your answer must start from the margin. For example, subject, middle of the page. No. It is why it is clearly mentioned that block format should be followed. That means what? You must start writing answer from the margin itself. You should not begin answer from the middle of the page or after giving the gap. Don't leave any gap in your answer script. Careful, please. Play this video often and often. Carefully understand. Otherwise, you will regret later so much. Careful. We follow block format. That means all the parts of the letter should start from the left margin of the page. Page left side only. It must begin. It is a rule of board. I have not created. The rules are not given by the board. I have created the rules according to the rules given by the board. That's all. It is why follow the rules. The task. Task means what? How to write. The task is to write a job application in response to an advertisement in a newspaper. In one newspaper, advertisement has taken place. What is the post? It is mentioned. You have to understand what kind of post, what is the eligibility. You must assume that you are an eligible candidate to apply for this post. It is why you are applying for the post. That's all. Next one. And to assume that you are an eligible candidate, you are a fit candidate with the required qualification. What are the required qualifications? It can be found in the question itself. In the question itself, 30% of the answer can be found. It is why qualification and skills. What are the skills? What are additional qualifications? Minimum qualification and additional skills qualification. Everything is there. Next. You write an application in accordance with the advertisement. You also attach a biodata resume. Biodata means your personal details. I will give the full answer. Then you will come to understand. Summary of your life. Of your life means from birth to second PUC. No. It is summary of your life means address, your name, or date of birth, languages, qualification. Everything is different. You never should feel that you are a second PU student while answering this question. You must feel that you have completed your PG, master degree. You are already aged 25 years. You have 2 years experience. If you write your original date of birth, your answer will become wrong. I will give you the date of birth which is suitable to this answer. Everything will be given by me. Your date of birth, your name, your age, your qualification, everything will be given by me. I am the creator of your biodata in this question. In this answer, whatever the answer I give you, you must write same words in your answer. Your date of birth, birthplace, wages, experience, everything is in my hand now. with the advertisement. You also attach a biodata, resume, summary of your life. Okay, next. Care for the name of the job or post. Application is for public relation officer. If you feel that you are applying for the IAS officer, your answer is wrong. When IPS advertisement is there, if you are applying for pure, your answer is wrong. It is why you must be careful about the name of the post, required qualification, 1, 2, date of advertisement. These all things should be noticed by you. In the beginning, it is not so easy. You practice this one twice. You must cover this all information which can be found in the newspaper or in the advertisement. Advertisement and newspaper, additional qualification, computer knowledge, languages, Kannada, English and Hindi. These all are fixed or compulsory. Yeah, it is written here. These 3 languages are compulsory. Even though they don't give, you must adopt that you are fluent in Kannada, English, Hindi languages. There are many types of courses offered, but we must be careful about the required qualification and experience and knowledge. For example, this post may require 2 years experience. Your age is 25. If you say that what is 2 years experience, I have 10 years experience, I will write 10 years experience, means your answer is wrong. Why? If you got 10 years experience, your age is now 25, then did you get job at the age of 15? What a nuisance. What a brainless answer. It is why be careful indeed while answering this one. Whatever the answer will be given by me, that is the end. That's all. Okay, it is why follow my words and numbers very strictly. If you feel that I will write 10 years of experience, my age is 25, that means you got the job at the age of 15. You were doing your 10th standard that time. Did you get that job? Even in 2nd PUC, you don't have job, official job. Then how can you write? Some students who made some changes, they lost marks in the annual exam. It is why. Please follow my words. Strictly follow my words. Some students made so many changes. They wrote their original date of birth. 2002 maybe, 2002 or 3 maybe your date of birth. If you write 2002 or 3 your date of birth, how can you say that your age is 25? How can you get 2 years of experience? It is really not following my words means you must be ready to lose the marks. Those who are not watching this video also will lose marks. It is why it is your duty to understand whole answer. Next one, experience and knowledge. Next one, SSLC, PUC are compulsory. Some course want only degree qualification. You never should write MA, master degree qualification. Some course want PG, but you must write degree qualification also. It is why every rule is counted. Degree courses, SSLC, PUC, whatever the post it may be, whatever the qualification it may be, you must write SSLC, PUC, how to use these 2 qualifications. I will give the answer. Follow my teaching, that is enough. What are called degree courses? See, BA, BCom, BSc, Computer, PCA, BE, BTech, etc. are called degree courses. If they ask you any degree qualification, means you can write one out of these 6 or 5 or 6. You can write BA, BCom. But if it is asked particularly in the question that BCom is the qualification, you must write BCom only. If you write BA, BSc, answer is invalid, ready to lose 5 marks. Who is responsible? You are responsible. Next, PG, master degree. What are called master degree? MA, MSc, MCom, Computer, MTech, and these all are called what? These are master degree courses, PG courses. MA, MCom, MSc, MCom, MSc, MTech. These all are called master degree courses, means PG courses. Next, MTech, this professional courses are diploma course, B.Ed and M.Ed. Professional courses, additional. Not only this one, diploma course may be required, B.Ed may be required, M.Ed may be required. It is why we must read the question paper very well. We must be in the best position to use the words and write the answer. Next, very important, don't write your name. Don't write your address. Don't give any other details. That means what? If there is no name, address and any information means, how can we apply? Names are given by the board. It is not given by me. Your date of birth is given by me. But these rules and regulation, address and names are given by the board only, PU board, not by me. It is why you never should write your name, address and any other details. Your original phone number, your original father and parents' names, no. Never. If you write, answer is invalid, answer script itself is invalid. Careful. Next, start to write the letter on a fresh page. Writing off here, again next page, writing off next one. Never do, you never should do this kind of silly things. It is a silly thing. Take fresh page. Write answers in two parts. Don't write any remaining answer in the next page. It is why, my dear students, follow the rules and regulations, understand the rules and regulations, and we happily learn this one. Happily learn and understand. Next, I am going to give the rough format of the letter. I will explain. Finally, in the fourth stage, I will give the full answer. First of all, please understand these rules and regulations. If you can understand these 13 rules and regulations, remaining answer will become easier. You know it very well that it is not my job to give the answer directly. I will explain first how to understand the question, how to understand the rules and regulations. Later only answer. Okay, please understand these rules and regulations, and I will write the rough format of the letter. Finally, full answer will be given. Read these rules and regulations, understand, and get ready to this one. Next one. While I am going to write the format of answer or full format answer, it must be written by you in your notebook, please. In your notebook, take 2 or 3 fresh pages. You take a fresh page. For writing answer, you must take each and every fresh page. Then only you can come to understand the real format of this letter writing. It is called letter writing cum job application. Okay, read rules and regulations. I will proceed with the rough format of this job application. Yes, my dear students, I hope that you have written the question, might have understood the rules and the regulations. Now, I am going to give you the outline answer of this job application. Rough format. This answer is written in a short form, and the full answer will be written once more. Again, later. Now, follow the teaching carefully, strictly. Don't miss one line or word too. Please follow. It will become easier. If you practice this letter twice, you can answer any type of question, anytime, any day. Now, there are 2 parts. Part 1, part 2. Part 1, 1 page. Part 2, next page. You must use 2 fresh pages. First page answer, second page answer. In the exam, you must follow this rule strictly. Otherwise, 1 mark out of 5 marks can be given. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First page 10 points. Next page some lines. Boxes should be drawn. You must observe my teaching. First, from address, from means your name. But from word should not be written. Simply you must write your name is X, triple X. If you write your own name or any other name, answer will become invalid. Not only losing 5 marks, answer script itself is invalid. Y means address. How to write this answer? Next stage. Your name is XXS and address is YYY, not WHY. YYY is your permanent address. Next, second stage is date. Mention the advertisement date or next 2 days, no problem. 25th September is given in the advertisement. You can use 25th September 2020 or 26th September 2020. To address, you never should write from word, date word, to word. Never. First from triple X 1 line, Y 1 line, date and to organization address. Apply within 10 days to address is given now, that address should be written. Next, fourth line, all answers should start from the left margin. This is fixed. Respected sir, bar madam. This is fixed, address is fixed, advertisement date or next date is fixed, this will change. This is fixed one. Respected sir, bar madam. Next subject. Below, not from here, start from the margin. Subject, application for the post of any job it may be. Public relation officer or IAS officer or a biology lecturer or any MTech engineer, whatever it may be, these words are fixed. Application for the post of public relation officer. Right. Next one, reference. These are fixed words. Next one. What is next to a line? No? Next line. Say line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Line number 7. With reference to your advertisement appeared in right here newspaper then appeared in what? In the Deccan Herald. Dated what? 25th September 2020. These words are fixed. You must write the name of the newspaper and the date which is mentioned in the advertisement. You must write the date. Next, body of the letter. What should you write? Give details about your qualification. What is your qualification? Required. BA, MA, BA, this should be mentioned. Languages means fixed one. Kannada, English, Hindi, fixed. With the required qualification, additional qualification, and other. If the answer are fixed here, I will give it. Finally, after giving these details in 2 paragraphs, finally left side only, thank you. Here one more important suggestion law. If you write thanking you, only 1 mark out of 5. You never should write thanking you. In first PUC also you have learned that thank you is correct, thanking you is wrong. You must write thank you. Below to this one, yours so faithfully, comma, thank you, comma, below, yours faithfully. See, here apostrophe is not there. If you write here apostrophe, if you add apostrophe, 1 mark gota, 1 mark cut. It will become, here thanking you, 1 mark is lost. Yours apostrophe S is there, 1 mark cut. Here 1 mark cut, you will score 2 marks by writing for 2 pages. Why? Care for the teaching, care for the instructions. If you cannot understand in one stroke, play the video often and often. Be perfect, then 5 marks are assured. Next up, yours faithfully below. Signature. You write signature here. You put signature triple X only. If you write your stylishly, my signature in this order. If you put any different signature, 5 marks will disappear. You will get to 0 mark. Are you ready to lose 5 essential marks? That is why your signature below to this one. Please observe. In the first page, left side only triple X should be written. In the second page, second half answer, triple X should be written in the right side. Signed here. Second page, signed triple X right side. In the first page, signature left side triple X. Be careful. Follow this one very well. Otherwise, you may commit errors without knowing without your knowledge. It is why be careful. Understand the answers very well. Okay, signature triple X. It is the first page answer. Next, second page. What is this one? Second part or second page. Biodata or resume. Biodata or resume. Okay, you must write this one. Here all are fixed answers. There is no change required. See, name, first line. Your name is triple X. Father's name, Jad. Don't write your father's original name, my dear students. Mother's name, ABC. Don't write your mother's original name. It is not required. Next, date of birth, fixed one. 15th August 1995. Fixed date of birth. I am giving your date of birth. 15th August 1995. It is your date of birth. If you write your original date of birth, your age is now just 18 or 19, then how can you get experience of 3 years? How can you pass PG of 15 years course? 12 plus 3 plus 17 years course. It is why follow the rules very well. You forget about yourself. You remember these all things. Okay, better within 25 years age should be counted. Your age now in the answer is 25 years, not this 18 year or 18 years. My dear students, remember. Next one, 25 years age should be there in 2020, 1995, 2020, 1995 is the suitable date of birth. Next one, permanent address. Don't write your original address here. Answer will become invalid if you write your original full address. Your address is Y. It is given in the question paper. Your name is a triple X, so your address is a triple Y. It is why you must use these two code words. Otherwise, answer will become invalid. Next, nationality, Indian national. We are Indians now. Nationality. Knowledge of languages, English, Kannada, Hindi, permanent, fixed one. Next one, education qualifications. You can also write from highest to lowest qualification order. Here I have written lowest to highest. You follow this method, don't change anything. Okay, next one. You must write the boxes. You must frame boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes should be there. First box, name of the examination. 10th standard, PUC, degree, it must be mentioned. Second box, board name or university. For 10th standard, Karnataka State Education and Examination Board, PU board, it should be written. Third box, year of passing. See, to 1995 date of birth, 2011, your SSC is over. If you write that 2016, then your answer is invalid. Going on. 2011. Marks percentage, 610 marks totally, 95%. You must write 610. You must write, no, you can write. I don't say that you must write 610 out of 625. If you write 400 percentage 16 means there will be thousands of students who have scored 600 above. Why? These all will be counted in your answer, my dear students. Be careful. 610, 95% subjects. Box number 5. Kannada, English and Maths. Kannada, English and Hindi or KEH Hindi. maths, science, social science. You write this is enough. You must write in full only. Once we enter the classroom, we will give full name to this code. Kannada, English, Hindi, maths, science, social studies, social science. Next one, PUC, PUE board. You have completed PU in 2013. You have scored 590 out of 600. Where you surely all of you are going to score 590 above. God bless you, my dear students. 590 and 98%. You have learned Kannada, English, PCMB are required qualification. That is not a major thing. You can write PCMB, PCMCS, you can write, depends upon the requirement. Sometimes they require only PUC with history, HEBC something. It is why it depends upon the question given. Yeah. Next. This is over now. SSLC, PUC. Next, degree, BA. Okay. Mysore University, degree, Mysore. PG, MA, Mysore University. 3 years of degree course, 2 years of PG. It must be written. Okay. Next one. Add minimum 3 years experience. You must write 3 years experience here. Next, experience is 3 years. Additional qualification means computer basic course or something, English course, English spoken course. You can write additional qualification here. Other hobbies here: sleeping, drinking, eating. These are our hobbies. No. Swimming, reading, stamp collection, and visiting historical places or helping others. You can write 3 to 4. It is called hobbies or interests. Next again, place. Place which one? Why? Don't write your original name, original place name. Next, date. Date of the job application. Job application, whatever the job application date is given, you have to write that one. Next, right side. Right side below, after writing this one, date this one, you must write SD. SD means what? Signed. What is your name? Sign in 3 months. This is the format, outline format of this question number 32. You must be careful and follow this one and note down these all words, all boxes. You must write this answer carefully. You note down in a fresh page. In the next 4th stage, final stage, I will write full answer, copy that one as it is. No single word can be changed. Only some words can be changed. What words can be changed? It will be explained by me, detailed by me. It is why, my dear student, write this one in a full page or 2 pages. If you take 2 pages, it will be better. Write in 1 page these all lines. In the second page, you write these all lines. Again, you leave 1 line blank and you take 2 fresh pages. I will give you full answer to this question number 32, job application or letter writing. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes time and write these all lines. First page answer, second page answer, outline of the answer. Note it down very well. I will write the full answer. Copy that one, and there are 2 more questions in your textbook. Answer that question, you will become perfect indeed, and you can score 5 marks anytime indeed. Okay, we will focus on the board itself. We will cover this one, note down very soon.
sir.
Yeah. Dear students, now I have written full answer. 80% of this answer is fixed. It is why I often have requested you to write this answer in your notebook. Practice this one 2 times today itself. If you can practice 2 times today, it will be stored in your mind forever. Now, you must be in the order. Open your notebook, take a fresh page, and how I am saying, follow the rules. Get ready. Notebook, one fresh ruled notebook, not short book. Medium size or long notebook, ruled one with a pen. Next, I will start saying. Okay. Now, first line. Question is over. It is purely the answer. Left side margin. You must write. You must start your answer from the margin itself. It is the rule number 1. Rule number 2. Your name. X. First one. X. Triple X. Your name. Don't leave any line blank. Second line. Y. Y means it is your address. Second line is over. First line is second. Next line. Third line. Write the same day. 26th September 2020. For your kind information, I am giving this answer to the question what you have written already in your notebook. I have written one question. You should have copied that one. If you have not copied that question, this answer cannot be understood. First, you should have written the question. If you have not written that question, stop this video. Go back, write the question. Later, you start learning this answer. Otherwise, this cannot be understood by you easily. Yeah. Next, third line, 26th September 2020. In the question, 25th September 2020 is given. You must write 26th September 2020. Next line, the human resource manager. 2 address is given. You never should write from address, date, to words should not be written. If you write from word, 1 mark go cut. If you write 2 word here, 1 mark go cut. Carefully follow my instructions and teaching. Next, from address your name, address, date, to address. The human resource manager, Apollo Hospital, Mysore. See, these 2 lines are fixed one. Whatever the question it may be, you write 32 question number, first line triple S, next line triple Y. Later you read the question, no problem. Fixed question. Under question number 33, speech writing. What is the first fixed line? Good morning to one and all. That's all. Respected dear chief guest, honorable principal sir, lovable lecturers and my dear friends, I am happy to speak on this occasion. Fixed second paragraph. Third paragraph, next. Again, thanks to one and all, Jai Hindu, Jai Karnataka, question number 33. 50% of the answer is fixed one. Here, 70 to 80% of the answer is fixed one. It is why we have to practice this answer very